Unlike closets depicted in fancy commercials, this is a real storage closet. It's cluttered and jam-packed. Real storage closets need real storage solutions. Let's take a look at the contenders. This box is durable but takes up too much space when not in use. This box collapses flat, but it's flimsier than a soggy slice of pizza. Enter BZbox. Now this one is just right. It's durable, lightweight, and flexible. Damien here cut a panel of the BZbox open to show you its secret sauce. Most fabric boxes, like the competition as depicted, have cardboard interiors. BZbox has a plastic interior. Its moisture-wicking exterior and waterproof interior mean no warping and no weakening, unlike the competition. And yup, you guessed it, BZbox folds flat too, making it out of sight, out of mind while not in use. BZbox comes in 3 colors: gray, white, and blue. It measures 15 inches cubic and holds up to 20 pounds. Perfect for organizing and cutting down on clutter, the BZbox adds fun and functionality to your space.